the we talked about first two steps and the reason why I started and everything today. For you, what does first two steps mean to you? What does it mean getting out there, accomplishing things?
First two steps is always, taking that next step, just like the title. You take that first step, then you take two more steps, then you take two more steps. So anything that you have to do in life is always the trials and tribulations, it's ups and downs. So as long as you take that first step, you can definitely take two more and two more and keep going on. So that's
Excellent.
what it means to me.
I appreciate it. Chef Shay, you've been incredible. I appreciate your time. I look forward to a lot of food, cooking and everything, getting with you, doing a lot of stuff in the future. I know in Atlanta area, you're going to dominate. Got a lot of good things going on. So very much, thank you so much for First Two Steps coming on the show this evening. And I look forward to work with you in the future.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good night. Love y'all.
Thank you. And very much, thank you very much, everybody, for coming on First Two Steps.